All right, so we're going to break down this highlighted question right here. This is question number 7 from this exam. We're going to do that by clicking on the pencil on the right side over there. And so as we mentioned in the discrimination index description, we're taking a look in this case at the discrimination index, which is very high in this case. 0.66 is a very high discrimination index, and we can see over here why. Remember, it's comparing how the lowest 27% performed to the highest 27%. And we see that that group was much more successful than this group, leading to a high discrimination index. But there's also something kind of interesting in this. There is only 31% of the class that got it 100% correct. And as we take a look at this, this is going to make a little bit more sense. This is a 3-part question. There are 3 portions to it, 1 point each. Let's break down this question further. As you go down to your answer choices, you can take a look and see what happened with this particular question. Now, in this case, the first answer scored almost 100% across the board, lowest percent, highest percent, lowest 27%, highest 27%, both scoring nearly 100% on this question, with only a small number of people choosing a separate answer. The second blank, though, this is where we find the problem. We have some people answering here, here, again here, and in this case, this is where a lot of this comes from. A very small percent of the low performers understood blank number 2. And as we go down to part 3, same thing. We see most people got part 3 correct, with, say 6% choosing something else from that lower 27, 9% total from the lower 27%. So we see that even the lowest 27% of the course got 2/3 of this question correct. So it's not as the question, the 31% correct, is a little bit misleading on that. 31% got the whole question correct. And this discriminated very well between the best performers and the lowest performers. So I would say readdressing question part 2 on this, trying to help people understand why their answers were incorrect on that particular one, it looks like part 1 and part 3 they were very successful with.